Starting a plastic product manufacturing business with small machines can be a viable and potentially lucrative venture, especially in today's market. Let's delve into the crucial steps to get you started on the right foot. First and foremost, meticulously identify the specific plastic products you intend to manufacture. Thorough market research is paramount. Investigate the current demand for a variety of plastic items. Consider items such as plastic containers for food storage, durable and engaging toys for children, or even essential plastic components for other industries. This in-depth research will significantly influence your machine selection. Consider injection molding machines, which are ideal for producing complex shapes and intricate designs, or opt for extrusion machines, perfectly suited for creating continuous profiles like pipes, tubing, and profiles. Remember, small-scale machines are generally more affordable, making them a practical choice for startups and businesses with limited initial capital. Next, develop a comprehensive and robust business plan. This document is the cornerstone of your business strategy. Outline your precisely defined target market, thoroughly detailed production costs, including materials, labor, and overhead, and create realistic, but ambitious, projected revenue figures. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. Then, secure the necessary funding. This might involve applying for a small business loan from a bank, or seeking investments from individual investors or venture capital firms. Detail your equipment needs, including the specific types of machines you require, the molds that will shape your products, and all the auxiliary tools and accessories essential for efficient operation. Carefully consider the ideal location for your manufacturing facility. You need a space with a reliable and sufficient supply of electricity to power your machines, as well as proper ventilation systems to ensure a safe and healthy working environment. Subsequently, focus on sourcing the materials required for your manufacturing process. Conduct thorough research into the diverse types of plastics available on the market. Determine the specific types that best suit your products, such as polyethylene PE, which is known for its flexibility and durability, or polypropylene PP, which is highly resistant to chemicals and solvents. Establish relationships with reliable and reputable suppliers of plastic granules or pellets. Ensure you can consistently obtain high-quality materials to maintain the integrity of your products. Don't overlook the critical aspect of mold design and procurement. High-quality molds are absolutely essential for producing products with precision and accuracy. Invest wisely in molds that are durable and capable of withstanding the rigors of the manufacturing process, as they directly influence the overall quality and aesthetics of your finished products. Now, shift your focus to the operational aspects of your business. This involves several critical steps. Hire skilled labor, including machine operators, technicians, and potentially, sales and marketing staff. Alternatively, develop a comprehensive training program to equip your own staff with the necessary skills and knowledge to operate the machines effectively. Thoroughly learn about the intricacies of the machines you've acquired, including their operating procedures, maintenance requirements, and potential troubleshooting techniques. Optimize your manufacturing process to ensure maximum efficiency and minimize waste. Implement lean manufacturing principles, which emphasize eliminating unnecessary steps and streamlining production. Prioritize the proper maintenance of your machines. Regular servicing, preventative maintenance, and timely repairs will significantly extend the lifespan of your valuable equipment and minimize downtime. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, strategize how to effectively market and sell your plastic products. Create a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Establish a professional online presence, including a user-friendly website and active social media accounts. Actively identify potential customers, which could include retailers, wholesalers, and distributors. Consider establishing partnerships with these entities to broaden your reach. Explore online sales platforms like Amazon or eBay. Offer competitive pricing while maintaining a healthy profit margin. Continuously strive for the improvement of your product quality to maintain customer satisfaction and provide exceptional customer service. Customer satisfaction and loyalty are essential for sustained success. Adapt and innovate, and always be open to improvements to build a thriving plastic product manufacturing business.